Good afternoon. I am Miss Shamir and I am Miss Simone. Today we are going to experiment making a lemon volcano. So the materials that you need for this project would be a lemon, some lemon juice, baking soda, and some food coloring, and we chose the color red. You also need a tablespoon as well as a knife. Please, parents, be careful with the knife. Do not let the child come in contact with it. The first step we're going to do is we're going to cut the top of the lemon. And then we're going to cut a hole around to pull out the lemon. You don't want to cut too deep because you don't want it to create another hole at this end of the lemon. So you just really want to scrape it out with a knife. Want to get all that excess out of there. That excess lemon. So once you create a deep enough hole inside of the lemon, you're good to go. So you don't have to get everything out of the lemon. You just want to be able to create a hole like this. All right, guys, now that we have punctured a hole in our lemon, what we want to do is take a tablespoon of baking soda and add it inside of our lemon. Let's add just a little bit more to see if we can make a really big volcano. Yes. All right. And then we just want to add in some coloring. Let's make it pretty. And last but not least, let's add in our activator. And watch it explode. Wow. Awesome, right?
Yeah. Amazing. So that was a 5-minute project that you can do at home with your kids. The materials are not hard to get. If you just go to your nearest grocery store, you can grab it. If you have seen my previous video, then you would probably already have the food coloring if you have done that project already. So once you're done with the lemon volcano, you can actually rinse the lemon out and set it in some boiling water. FYI, boiling those lemon peels will help boost your immune system according to its vitamin C content.